Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Go over there. Sorry, man. Ah! Sorry, brother. Did I get?
Yes, you hit me.
Sorry. You just dropped it, man.
Whoa, shit.
Bender.
The clapping's getting louder. You don't want them to clown you. In this situation, what do you do? A, you play it simply back up. Or B, you make it just a little bit softer. C,
Perfect.
No C word? If I can say the A word and... No, imagine you the Johnny Cage middle finger doing that.
What the f are you doing?
No blinkers.
What are you doing? Christ.
It's good.
Good job.
We'll see.
Good job.
See if I'm out of the woods.
You know, they told my grandmother she was drinking and smoking until she was very old. And they said, well, it hasn't killed you yet. Knock yourself out.
Jesus.
They kind of told her that. But she did kick this
Christ.
first.
Wow.
Yeah.
I guess
Red
I
light.
could too.
Recognition given recent legal settlements and pushback over facial recognition inside its smart glasses. Pass your test, your verified badge will appear across Marketplace, dating, and other parts of Facebook sites and services. Unlike Meta, it is entirely free. Now, so you start to understand.
Okay, Garmin.
comes
Take it.
in.
So what's the worst that can happen?
I do not want to miss graduation. Well, he's just going to sit here. Oh, he's going to jump right in there. And, ooh.
Gee, Christmas.
That was jerky. That was a really jerky thing.
Yep. You f***ing jackwagon. Jeez, oh Pete.
Current loop video is now locked.
Driving like a fucking
Right. Holy shit, B. I'm calling 911. We need to get out and help.
Cooler outside. Oh, God, don't hit him, don't hit him. Jesus Christ.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.